Grove.
Water Park at the Grove. We've never been here. So you go into the Grove like you're gonna stay at the hotel. We found this out the hard way. Don't pull into the first parking lot you see. You go into the Grove like you're gonna check into the hotel, but you go through garage. What one?
You're going to go into garage
One.
And
Second or third floor. First and second floor.
First or second floor.
Yeah.
Follow the signs and go into the red door.
Red door. Look for the signs that say Safari. And then look there, level 1, Water Park. We got it. We're gonna go check out a cabana. Okay, we're Safari Water Park. This way. Okay. We're following the signs that say Safari Water Park. Let's go check it out. This way. Yeah, there we go. Gotta walk through the arcade.
Yeah, to get to the water park, so you can go to the arcade or the water park.
Okay, hours of operation, Sunday through Thursday, 10 to 9, Friday and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. You gotta go through the arcade to get there. Entrance. Oh, this is the entrance to the putt putt. That's pretty cool. Glow in the dark putt putt.
That's pretty awesome.
All right, we're trying to make our way. I guess you got to walk through all this, through the theme park, through the arcade, rather. And looks like the water park is right ahead. Let's go see. Yes, my love?
We are going to cabana number 4.
Cabana number 4. Let's go check it out. We got our tour guide, Sophia. But anyway, we have made it into the Safari Water Park. We got a special invitation here, so if you're gonna come to the water park, you have to go to the lobby. Oh, I got snow cone station here, $4. If you're gonna go to the water park, you have to go to the lobby and either get your wristband if you're staying here, or pay, and I'm gonna post the current price up here on the screen right now, and you pay the price. But like I said, we had a special invitation, so, and we lost our tour guide, so Marcy's gonna take over from here.
Her feet are hot, that's why we lost.
Oh yeah, and we have a cabana here, so we're gonna check that out. And it's quite busy today. It's toasty. There is cabana number 4. And that's it. So here we are, baby. Waiting on I guess
the lazy river.
The lazy river. You gotta wait for a tube to come by empty is what I was told. Or you gotta go find one.
And like people just get off and they just keep walking.
Oh, I just saw one right there.
Let's just walk around. We are right underneath the slides. We can catch that later on. We'll go ride the slide later on. Alright, we're gonna go up and try to ride one of these slides.
What?
Yeah, let's do the yellow slide. It's enclosed, right? Shoe drop off. So we're gonna try to go up and ride this slide. Have to be 48 inches high. And you have to climb all the steps. Plus we'll get a bird's eye view of the park here. Gonna do yellow because it's enclosed. Might come back and do the green one, I don't know. We will see. That's what it looks like from up here. We'll see. Let's go do the yellow slide. Go ahead.
Oh, wait, you didn't take
You will?
Wait, here's where I take it out.
Am I good? This camera, we're gonna find out how good a GoPro is because it's been dropped a couple of times today. Whenever I came down the slide right there, whenever I got almost all the way down, the camera, I don't know if we're gonna see it in the video, but the camera hit the edge right there and it jerked me kind of backwards. Probably heard me go take a big old gulp of water. There's the back side of the pool there. Got a beach entry. We are on the other side over there. There's our cabana way over there. Here's a splash pad over here for the little kiddos. I'm not gonna go over there because I try not to get kiddos in the video. Board grill, we are not eating there. We ate before we got here. But there's also a bar. They have drinks. They have restrooms over here. Dining only. Please seat yourself. So we're gonna go here and take a quick look at the flow rider. We can do 30 minutes for $35 or a private lesson for $175. And this is what the bar looks like. All kinds of good stuff up there on the menu. They even have $5 drinks if you want a Coke, Diet Coke, orange juice, Sprite, lemonade, $7 Gatorades. And that's what the bar looks like there.